Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Well, boys, we're loaded up. We had to do some figuring. I never had two sleds on here before. We put the ramps underneath Blackie's sled, so that's like the perfect way to transport the ramps. Otherwise, we'd have to try to tie them in between the sleds or some bull crap like that. But everything fits pretty good. It sure would be nice to build an extension, a 2-foot extension for the back of the bed. Hold the sleds a little better. When you're running two sleds, you can't really put them up all the way to the front. So I don't know, there's a good 6 or 8 inches they're sitting back. When you run one sled, it can you can jam it up all the way to the front there. It sits a little better. But I think it'll do. It'll get us there. Hopefully we find some snow today. I never really did a walk around of the wrap. We just got the new wrap done by Pat at Hub City Display in Saskatoon, Hub City Graphics. Did a frickin' killer job. Installed it. Like, this install was just like beautiful. So many pieces to these wraps. I was looking close here, like it's insane how many small little pieces, and everything just looks great. Everything fits great. So right on. All right, boys, hopefully next time I turn this on, we're in 3 feet of snow.
Just started leaking on you, but just been like, oh, never mind, you win.
Backfire.
Son of a